Okay guys, so this is basically going to show you how to set up lighting. So right now I've got my monitor running in the background. I've got some LED lights in the back and I had 3 lights set up. So what you want to do is use any available light you've got. So right now here I've got a loft window which is illuminating me face on. I'll put a backlight on here which is a gel on it. So it creates a purple tinge. I'll put that right behind me, acting as a hair light and a bit of a background. Just there, bit of a background to make me pop from the background. That purple and green goes quite nice. You can see they've got like purple wings. It's really interesting. So I've got one LED light just over to my right. If I turn that on, you'll see. Let's get this. Just plugging it in. I've got a siren going past there. Hopefully you won't pick that up, but you might. Okay, there. So that's light over to my right, which is giving me a bit of fill light. And right now in the back it's quite dark, so I wasn't sure to keep it, if I wanted to keep it dark or if I wanted it a bit more bright. So I've got another LED panel over here which I've lighted. I'll show you that now. So as I turn that on, you'll see that gives you a bit more of a clear-cut look, so it's more pleasing to the eye, I'd say. Some of my videos that I do where I'm just talking about photography, I'll have just the background dark because there's not much interest there, but in this one I wanted it lit well, just to give you an idea of what type of lighting works. Monitor's just turning off there. So there you go, lighting in a nutshell. So if I turn them off, that's the front light, fill light turned off. I'll stick on my backlight on. If I turn the backlight off, now I've just got one light main panel there. If I turn that off, now this is just the ceiling light. So using available light is a good option as well. You don't have to always have LEDs. So in the background that could have been a lamp lighting up the ceiling, and then just using the natural light to light your face and standing in the way that very little shadows show. So there you go.